Do you want to learn how to connect to your loved ones, your spirit guides, and your angels? I sure hope so. It sure does make life feel better and feel easier. You don't have to be a medium to connect to your loved ones. There's lots of things that you can do as an everyday person to recognize the signs, feel their energy, receive their messages, and so much more. If you're interested, I hope you'll join me for this upcoming workshop called Meditation and Messages. It's something I love offering you because I can give you tips to help you get started, to help you feel their connection, and I'll also be doing live random readings. We love to hear from loved ones. And it does give us that validation that they're with us. So I hope you'll join me. Just click the link below. I put a special price on it now for the holiday season, Meditation and Messages, November 22nd. Click on the link below and you're going to love enjoying the evening. I'm going to enjoy sharing the evening with you, your loved ones, and helping you feel that stronger connection to the spirit world. See you there.